Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a brand new MySQL database and user in HostGator. This is a step-by-step guide, perfect if you're new to managing databases. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and head over to HostGator.com. On the homepage, click the Sign In button at the top right, enter your username and password to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard. From here, click on the Website section. This is where most of your site management takes place. Inside the Websites area, look for and click on Settings. The Settings page lets you adjust details like domains, email, and of course, databases. Next, click on the Advanced option. This expands more in-depth controls for your hosting setup. Now, find the button labeled Manage and click it. Then select MySQL Databases. This will open the Database Management panel. Here you can create, modify, or delete databases and users. To set up a new one, click Create User. Enter a username and a secure password. These credentials are what you'll use to connect to the database. Once done, make sure you note down the username and password somewhere safe. You'll need them when connecting through applications, scripts, or remote access. And that's it. You've successfully created a new MySQL database and user on HostGator. Now you're ready to start connecting apps, managing data, or experimenting with your new setup. Thanks for watching and happy hosting.